How to hide your last seen in IMO. Want a little more privacy on IMO? Hiding your last seen status is a great way to do that, and it only takes a few seconds. Let's walk through it together. First things first, let's open the IMO app. It's right over here. Let's tap on it. Once inside it, you'll be seeing your profile icon in top right corner. It's right over here. Let's tap on it, and there you can see an option called security and privacy. Give it a tap. Once inside it, search for the option called online status and last seen. Scroll down and here you can see an option called online status and last seen. Simply tap on it and it will give you a few options, that is everyone, my contacts, costume and nobody. Select the one that you prefer. Let's keep it nobody. Tap on it. Then you can see success. The changes have been taken into the action. That means that nobody will be seeing you online even if you are online. And it's a two-way street. If you have kept it nobody, that means you will not see online status of another person too. So the process is simple. And that's it. You have successfully hidden your online status. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.